Most usually, a parent finds out their child has a heart murmur because a doctor has examined the child with a stethoscope and heard the extra noise. So that might be at the newborn baby check, or the child may be unwell and have been taken to the GP or the hospital and somebody's heard the extra noise. In most cases, the doctor who sees you will be arranging for you to see an expert paediatric cardiologist. On rare occasions, some parents actually hear the heart murmur themselves. They either have their ear on the child's chest and they hear an extra noise, or they may have got a stethoscope. In that case, the best thing to do is to arrange an appointment with a paediatric cardiologist who will listen with their stethoscope and most likely perform an echocardiogram, which is an ultrasound of the heart. You will be able to find out what the cause of the heart murmur is quite quickly with such a test.